Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to add chapters to a YouTube video. First thing, go to YouTube and sign in with your Google account where you want to upload from. Click the Create plus camera icon in the top right corner. Upload the video, then choose the video file from your computer and upload it. Now fill in your video title and description. While the video uploads and processes, scroll down to this description box. To create chapters, start with 0 introduction. Each line must have a timestamp and title. Enter a new chapter to start a new line, and then continue with that until the video ends, like here. Continue to the remaining upload steps. Add a thumbnail, choose a playlist, set audience visibility, and add tags, video elements, and check for copyright issues. Once everything is set, choose private, unlisted, or public based on where you want the video to share, then click publish or save. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.